In this, the final section of the overview program, we shall introduce you to the aspects of safety before you begin practical work on batteries. Battery electrolyte is dilute sulfuric acid which, on contact with skin or clothing, will burn and destroy. When handling acid, you must wear the appropriate safety clothing: a face shield to protect eyes, and gloves and an apron to protect the skin and clothing. If acid is spilt or splashed on the skin or clothing, wash the affected area liberally with fresh, clean water. If acid is spilt onto metallic objects such as a car body, the affected areas should be washed with clean water or neutralized with a solution of bicarbonate of soda. Electrolyte, if splashed into the eyes, is very dangerous. Should this happen, flush the eyes liberally with clean running water for a while, then call a doctor. Gases in the form of hydrogen and oxygen are produced, mainly during the charge cycle. These gases escape through the vents. This creates a potentially explosive atmosphere around the battery. For this reason, when working on or upon charging lead-acid batteries, ensure that you work in a well-ventilated area, and be sure to keep sparks, flames, burning cigarettes, and other ignition sources away from the batteries at all times. Ensure all connections to the battery are secure. Never disconnect live circuits from the battery terminals, as a spark will be generated at the point of disconnection, which could ignite the explosive gases. For your personal safety, we advise that you wear a face shield and protective clothing when servicing and testing batteries. Try not to lean over a battery when checking, servicing, or doing work in the area. Remove any metal articles from your person before working on or around a battery. Jewelry, tools, or other metal objects have been known to cause some very painful accidents when they contact the terminals. Batteries can be very heavy. Lifting a battery should be done keeping your back upright and using your legs to supply the lifting power. Whenever necessary, get help from an assistant to move a heavy battery, making use of the built-in carry handles. Keep the battery in an upright position when lifting, moving, and transporting to avoid acid spillage. Unserviceable or scrapped batteries must be discarded in accordance with the appropriate legislation, not thrown into a rubbish bin. Keep these safety points in mind as you proceed to learn more about batteries and battery maintenance in the following modules. This concludes the overview program. You can learn more about batteries in further programs in this series.